Welcome to the fourth quarter of 2021. If only the stock market were as welcoming. If you are feeling like things are looking down for the stock market right now, you're not alone. The latest data from the American Association of Individual Investors shows a continued increase in investors who are bearish or negative about the market and a decrease in those who are bullish or positive. There's certainly a lot to worry about: the Delta variant, global supply chain shortages, corporate earnings season, the Evergrande insolvency in China, and the never-ending drama in Washington, D.C. But if we look a little deeper, I believe we will find reasons for optimism. Regarding short-term worries, we are confident that Washington will get its act together and avert a shutdown and reach a deal on the debt ceiling. We are estimating that the U.S. government spending bills will come in at around $2 to $2.5 trillion, providing a boost to the markets. Delta cases are falling, and the underlying economy is, in my view, strong. It is also an important paradox of the markets that historically pessimism has been a bullish or positive indicator for future stock market performance. Here's an index we have looked at before, the CNN Fear and Greed Index. We'll notice it is showing extreme fear of late, but you may remember, as we saw during the COVID recession, extreme readings in the investor fear gauges may be followed by an upswing in the markets. The market often climbs a wall of worry, as they say. As this chart shows, times of high investor pessimism about the market are followed often by better than average stock returns 1 year out. And there's another important reason to be optimistic right now. Did you know the fourth quarter is historically the best for stocks? The third quarter, by the way, is the worst. Stocks rise on average 3.8% during the fourth quarter. But the past 7 times the S&P 500 was up 15% heading into the end of the year, the fourth quarter was higher every single time, up an average of 6%. So even though the ride has been a bit bumpy as of late, this September and October, it may be a good idea to stay the course. If you have questions on the recent action in the stock market, please do not hesitate to visit us online at chambersfinancialgroup.com or come to our office. We're not in it for the short run, not even until the end of the fourth quarter. We're in it for the country mile.